What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to be welding in a quick patch panel and adding a fresh air vent. Keep watching. So let me start off by saying happy birthday, Marines, and happy Veterans Day to all my brothers and sisters out there that are willing to wear the uniform. So today, we're closing up the old inlet to the heater box. Just going to be welding at a patch panel down there. And I'm also going to be adding a fresh air vent, just like the one that's over on the driver's side. So I've already made my template for my patch panel to close off the heater box inlet hole. Now all I got to do is just transfer my template over to this 18 gauge steel and cut it out. So once your patch panel is cut to size and trimmed and everything fits well, and it's time to prep the area for welding. Sand down the surrounding area, get all the paint off, and bevel the edges a little bit. Alright, so once you got your panel cut to size, got the area prepped, everything ready to go, it's time to start welding it in. Now I'm just using a couple of these panel magnets, I guess they're called, to hold my panel in place, and then I'm going to just tack it in a couple of spots, adjust the panel as I need to, a few more tacks, keep doing the same thing over and over. Tack it here, tack it there, make some adjustments, tack it, keep going. So let's start welding it in. So there you go. You just keep adding your tacks all around the patch until it's fully welded in. Alright, so now I got most of the patch panel welded in. There's still some more that needs to be done, but I want to get the hole laid out for fresh air vent that I'm going to be installing. I already went ahead, I made a template of the entire size of the fresh air vent and got the hole laid out. So now I'm going to line this up. I'm going to mark out the hole for the fresh air vent and get this laid out and probably cut it out. All right, so like I said, most of the patch is already done. You can still see there's still some more work needs to be done. Clean it up. Some more welds need to be done. But here you can kind of see where that body line is for this fresh air vent. So I'm gonna take my template, line it up in there. I can get this laid out, and then I can cut it out, and then I can worry about welding and finish welding the rest of the patch. There we go. I got the hole marked. I don't know how well you can see that on camera there. But I got the hole marked, and now I'll get that cut out. Alright everyone, so there you go. The old opening for the original heater core is closed up and got the new fresh air vent installed. Hole cut open, everything cleaned up, primed, and finished up. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit the bell so you get notified when new videos get uploaded, and I'll see you next time.